said hi? Hi. Look what you did to our living room, messy baby.
2, 3.
1.
1, 2. 2, 3.
You're not laughing like she was. It's because Mama's recording. She's like, no, because I got shit for drawers.
What did you do to your tongue? What happened?
What's wrong?
Oh, it's got a red mark.
Well, Daddy, since you're down there, you can change her. Stinkers! Hi! Are you playing with the daddies? Peekaboo! Why are you always beating Daddy up? Psycho, baby!
What?
Why are you beating on the daddies? What did the daddies do? Squirrel! Hi! Hi! Whoa!
1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
She gets more excited when you count.
1. Hey, Jocelyn. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! What is that noise? There's a cough.
You okay?
Or her hair. What are we going to do with your hair? Alright, Mama change you. Say bye-bye. You wheezing?